This video reviews CoinGecko, a top crypto price tracking app. Links are below. CoinGecko is popular for tracking prices, trends, and portfolios. It's designed for crypto enthusiasts, investors, and traders needing accurate data and market insights. It's great for both beginners and seasoned traders. CoinGecko comprehensively tracks over 13,000 cryptocurrencies in real time, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to lesser-known altcoins. It shows prices, market cap, trading volume, and circulating supply across various exchanges, giving a global market overview. Customize your watch list and receive updates on your chosen assets. Manage your portfolio, manually input holdings, and monitor real-time gains and losses in multiple fiat currencies. Price alerts notify you when a coin hits your target price. CoinGecko prioritizes data transparency and provides in-depth metrics like developer activity, community engagement, liquidity, and trading volume analysis. The Gecko Score and Trust Score rank coins and exchanges, aiding informed decisions. The interface is easy to navigate, letting you seamlessly switch between charts, market data, and news. Aggregated crypto news keeps you updated. The Learner section educates users on various crypto topics. CoinGecko's robust free API is widely used. This, along with DeFi and NFT tracker integration, shows their commitment to the crypto ecosystem. It even offers dark mode and a lightweight design. Security is prioritized, no sensitive personal information is required. CoinGecko is a powerful, user-friendly crypto price tracking app with basic and advanced metrics. Whether checking prices, managing a portfolio, or researching, CoinGecko keeps you on top of the market. Check the description for more information.